Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. We're going to check out the SUPAREE wireless trailer light kit. So this is pretty cool. I don't have a trailer at the moment, but I'll be getting another one soon, probably for towing bikes. And this would be super useful because I can't even think about how much time I have spent repairing lights on trailers. So I think this is going to be awesome. They're battery-powered LED lights with a transmitter for your trailer light output on the truck, magnetic mount, or you could hard mount them, I guess, if you want, but the point is to make them removable. I'm going to leave these in my Jeep over there. So let's take a look at what we got. Here is one of the lights. Have mounting threads and power button there. So we get two of those. Right on. You can see they're labeled R and L, so you know which side. Sweet. Okay. Easy. Got some mounting hardware. We're not going to be permanently mounting them. Oh, I like that, like safety wires, so they don't fall off. That's cool. They come with steel plates, so if you were mounting them to wood or something, you could screw these in and then have a mounting surface for the magnetic part. And there's hardware for putting the mounts onto the back of the lights, right there. Here is our mounts. They are magnetic, like I said. They are already kind of stuck together by the magnets. Dang, I might have to have two hands to do this. They have them separated with a piece of plastic in there, so they're easier to get apart with two hands. There's our trailer plug. So it's for a 7-pin round style. Also has a output for a 4-pin on the back if you needed to plug in as well. And we have a cigarette lighter charger right there, so you can charge in your car. And charging cable, so single USB A to two USB-Cs, so you can charge both lights at once. The lights have a charging plug right there. So looked like they were already charged up. Cool. Okay, let's check it out. I'm gonna go plug this into my Jeep. And it's a little dirty. Was just out camping this weekend. Come on. There we go. Gotta line up. Okay, plugged in. Go over here, turn my lights on. Alright, should have my tail lights on now. Yep. Alright, let's go back over here. Turn that on. Turn that on. There we go. Okay, so let's lay these out. All right, there's right and left, so we have running light. And we have, well, yeah, the running lights are on right now. Here, we'll take them in the car with us. That way we can check reverse and... Alright, let's set these down here. There's brake. Nice. Okay, let me fire it up and we'll check reverse as well. I think they should have a reverse light. Let's see. Yep, so there's reverse. Back to park. Brake light. Nice. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Sweet. So, wireless setup works great. And then we'll look at mounting. So, oh, here we go. Now I can get them apart. So you can see the magnet inside. Mount just fine to steel there. Pull them off, so strong magnet. And then I'm going to mount them down to the bracket like this. and I'll keep them here ready to go and be able to put them in any trailer I need. So really awesome setup. I like that it comes in the carrying case, really convenient, easy to use. They look great. They're sealed, waterproof. Oh, mounting bungs there as well. Turn these off. Well built, come with the charger. So it's everything you need. I'm going to be leaving these in my Jeep and not screwing around with trailer lights anymore. I'm just going to hook these bad boys up. And I believe, where did I see? The run time was pretty impressive. Charging time about 3 hours, discharging time 10 hours. So 10-hour run time with these things. And you can see everything. Battery display, they do. When you press the button, you get an indicator of the battery right there. It lights up while charging as well, and all your features. So right on. Very cool. This is the SUPAREE wireless taillight, trailer taillight kit. So I'm definitely going to be using these. Nice setup, has everything you need. Definitely check them out. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.